This is a brief video for high school educators who need to convey the purpose for and the content of the literacy assessments in the high school. We're going to talk about the reading inventory and the oral reading fluency assessment. Use this slide deck with students that I'll be providing for you and start with the reading inventory. Tell them what the reading inventory is. It's a very short assessment, so they can take their time and read each question carefully. The average time is around 30 minutes and the number of questions varies. They also get 3 skips, so if they get stuck on a question, they can skip it 3 times and it will not penalize their score. Each question they have is a multiple choice question based on a passage. Make sure they read both the questions and the text to assist in selecting the correct answer. Once students finish the test, it gives them a Lexile score. This is one measure of the student's reading comprehension ability. I like to emphasize with students that it's just one, that it's a snapshot. It's not the full picture, but it does help us get a sense of where their reading's at. And so here's where the why comes in. Make sure you emphasize that reading and reading well is critical for their success, not just at school and all their courses, but in their immediate future. Without the ability to read, they can't learn new things, and that is what is going to equip them with not just future success, but overall life enjoyment. Talk about reading well as a superpower. But also know that we can struggle with reading sometimes, and that the purpose of this assessment is to help your teachers understand if you are struggling to comprehend what you read. And that once they know that, they're going to be able to provide you with the supports they need. Now, this next part is for the oral reading fluency assessment, so only go over this information with students who, after Gate 1 with the reading inventory, need to take the ORF. Tell them that the ORF is the next step in the literacy screening, and while the reading inventory tells us how well they can or cannot comprehend, the ORF is going to tell us the exact strength and weaknesses they have regarding their reading. Talk to them about the process. Tell them that they're going to read a passage out loud for 1 minute, that I may be taking notes as you read, and then they're going to have to recall what they remember in the passage, and that's it. It's short, simple, but gives us a lot of information. Now, tell them about the why. It's important for the teacher to listen to students read out loud so that they can see how well you decode letters, sounds, and how fluent you are as a reader. And this is going to help them target the kinds of supports that students are going to need at school to improve their reading. The support that teachers can give students once they know why or why not students struggle to read is going to make a big difference for them and reiterate this concept that reading is necessary for success and happiness. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.